Alright, I just want to show a quick repair of the trans line here I'm doing. I always forget to record this till after I'm doing it. It's leaking right at the bandings on these lines here. That's the only problem. The hoses harden up, dry rot, and they shrink, get hard, and they start leaking around the ends. So I just take my cutoff wheel, slice up in the two sides, bust these babies off, get some new hose, double clamp each side, and go to town. So we'll show you what it looks like when it's done. And there's what it looks like right next to the other line, back on the car. This is the bottom side. I'll see if I can get a view from the top. Doesn't seem to want to focus very good either. And there's a view straight down the top, right on top of the frame there. That's where it was leaking the worst. There's $9 for the 1 foot of hose, and the 4 clamps, and a bottle of trans fluid. It took me about 20 minutes. It's just for the metal to rubber with the banding